Backside of your paper, given a polynomial function as degree n, there are two things that you need to remember when looking at a polynomial function as a graph. So the first one is that they have at most n intercepts, where n is our degree. Intercepts can also mean solutions and roots. Okay, so they have at most n intercepts, and n is our degree. Second, they have at most n minus 1 terms. Remember, terms are also our max and our mins. All right. Make sure you have those written down, and we're going to do some examples. So looking here, if I see this first graph right here, how many turning points do I have? I'm going along, and I turn once, I turn twice, I turn 3 times. So I have 1, 2, 3 turning points. 3 turning points. But if my turning points is n minus 1, that meant I have, where n is my degree, I would have 1 less turning point than degree. Okay. N minus 1 turning points means 1 less turning point than degree. So that would mean my degree is what? If my turning point is 1 less than my degree, I have a degree 4. Okay, well, looking at here, how many real roots do I have? I've got 1 and I've got 2. And they're approximately at, I've got 2 real roots, and they're approximately at x equals negative 1.05 and x equals approximately 2.05 as well. I would say they're just right on the edge of 1 and 2. Oh, that's a negative 1. Okay, x is approximately a negative 1, and x is approximately a positive 2. Well, if I have 2 real roots, but it's a degree 4, this turning point right here is telling me I have 2 imaginary solutions to give me 2 plus 2 to give me a degree of 4. So let's look over at this one. How many turning points do I have? I've turned once, I've turned twice. Okay, I have 2 turning points. And if n minus 1 turning points mean 1 less turning point than degree, let's go ahead and make that a big thing to remember. N minus 1 turning points is 1 less turning point than degree. That means I'm going to have a degree 3. So if I have a degree 3, how many real roots do I have? Well, I have only one that I can see here, and that's x equals approximately negative 1.1, which would mean I have how many imaginary roots left? 2. Imaginary solutions. I have 2. And that makes sense because my imaginary solutions have to come in pairs of 2, the plus or minus 1.